Hello and welcome outside in the dark. Hello, welcome to London Creative, out and about in pitch black. It is rather dark, you can't really tell, but we are actually in Greenwich, see, Twin Domes and Naval College, and we're back here once again for the Greenwich and Docklands International Festival of Art, and this time it's called Sparks.
Greenwich Spark.
Greenwich Spark, but basically I'll leave it to Tora to tell you what it is. What is it?
It's bubbles!
Enjoy. Trying to find as much light as possible work to this. Well, that was the Greenwich Spark. What did you think?
I hope it was illuminating.
It really wasn't. It was very dark. It was very dark. It's as much as Greenwich seems to be. But if you liked it, I'll give you a thumbs up. Leave comments down below. And if you're not already, you know, do wave at the camera. Subscribe and come back each week to something different. I'll also go check out London Creative, the creative side, link up there.
And the review on Climbing Moss.
And the review on climbingmoss.com.
And my website.
And Tora's website for the photos. It's this one. So all those links. We're at home now. It's very dark. You can't see. We're using a torch. What is it? Describe it, Tora.
Shiny.
And
Bubbles.
louder.
Bubbles.
Louder. Just say it. You did it just now.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Let's see what we find. It's very dark.